Man, you don't know again, it's poor people president again, you know what I mean? So yeah, today we are going to link up the 86-year-old Jamaican.
Wagwan my viewers, welcome to my channel. So on see it there, PNP and JLP no care about the hell of them again, only pan election day. Plus, Dewey mash up Queenie meds, now she dey in a hospital, and Wildman Street turn ghost town, the killer them runway. So here wa, wanna drop some like pan a video, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, so when me drop new vids, my peeps, pre that video ya.
Man, you don't know again, it's poor people president again, you know what I mean? So yeah, today we are going to link up the 86-year-old Jamaican. Sorry about that, the 96-year-old Jamaican. Him just wise me up, say sorry, so this time step coming up, him step, you know. Understand, people? Now, as me telling you already, say, anything that it take for uplift St. Thomas, this is what I am. Now, this is the 96-year-old Jamaican that he might have nobody. I'm going to make you hear from him, people. Now, I'm going to show you the type of liberty. Oh, we neglect St. Thomas. I'm telling you already, people, anything it take for I to uplift St. Thomas, this is what I am going to do. Now, you see, this building, he's going to tell you about it in a short video now. This building came here by Eastern Banana Walk from back in the 90s when banana was shipping from Jamaica. You understand? Now, this building, because him not have nobody, this is here, so it's where him have to come. And this is the type of liberty where him face. No, this is not theme place, you know. This is the compound, we call it the compound, you know, where Eastern Banana used to run on these places. So, this is where the 96-year-old sleep. The 96-year-old Jamaican, this is where him sleep. So, people, when you hear me say there's no prosperity, we know prosperity. This is where the 96-year-old Jamaican sleep. This is how him live down here. People, I am going to let you hear from him. And he can tell you the finishing of what I am talking about. Now, I am the poor people president, and no matter where they are, I am going to find them. And now, people, this is the liberty. And now, you know what hurt me the most now, people? If you see the condition of the road, or if you see the distance, now, people, how can a man at 96-year-old that worked for 52 years for you look at him place? Now, what I am going to do, people, I am going to move him from this location, and I have a place where Mr. Tallis is. That is where I am going to put him. And God shine his light down. I will be taking care of them. So that will be my work now, and that will be my journey. And as I speak, people, I want the people them to just looking at the video and take the good things them out of it. And stop the...
When you see it, them viewers, my people, we talk about that one, yeah. When you see say JLP and PNP no care about the elder them boy, yeah. Them only care about the elder them when a election time. Cause member good no member what day was election. I wanna see them go find the elder them, go pick up the elder them from out of them yard, wheelchair and car, till look ya know my viewers. Who are go member the elder ya? Look upon the living conditions where the elder living If him fi drop down right now, who are go help him and carry him to hospital for save him life? My viewers, so as what me I say. Them no care about the elder them boy, you know. And the senior citizens them boy, you know. Them only care about them when a election time, me I tell you no. Cause if you hear what the man I say in that video there, our elder like this for live alone. When family them there. Most of the time, you know, my people, in family them still there around, you know. But them live in a different yard or a different area from him. And most of them they've not visit the man. They've care about the man. That's why me always tell you no love no the boy. Nobody no care about nobody. You think you can go your family yard and beg them a plate of dinner, and run them a go run you. Brawling settings. So as what I say my people. See him there, the elder, him need help, him need assistance, and him need a lot of things me I tell you cause as a big man and as a elder, you can't live in a them condition there. You see me? You're bound for drown, or you're bound for dead, me I tell you So my people, walk with me We'll move on to our next topic now, where we see Dewey mash up Queenie meds till Queenie there in a hospital right now, and everybody a speculate and I say I could have walk one. I stress Queenie stress out, a blood pressure, a diabetes, a wagwan. My people, Queenie probably stress out. You hear that? Because the internet is not a nice place, you know. The media is not a nice place, you know. People will drag you in and throw you and dash you, you know. Till you stress out, me I tell you, know. So my people, prayers up for Queenie. You hear that? Keep your fingers crossed. Say she do good and she come out back alright, me I tell you, know. So my viewers, walk with me again. Me I go round on Wildman Street. But before me jump in at that one, yeah, me have a quick public service announcement for all of the little clown them we always are coming in my comment section and I talk about this and that. I'ma tell you this youth. You no worth nothing in the system. All it take is $1 for no general sacrifice on out of the system. So you see all of you know where I talk, remember this youth. You is a crash dummy. Remember, the Dan only need enough for bleach at night time and run up and down. Remember that. Him no need enough for nothing else. As on a dead and gone, him they even member on the name again. So all of who hype up themselves and attack, as I say, all it take is $1 for no general sacrifice and thrown out of the system for me, which is a blogger. Remember that. So you can go and run off for no mouth. You go get a wake up call, boy. Remember me tell you that. So my people, Wildman Street has become a ghost town. The whole of the killers them run away. Scared because them have it say Wildman Street has become a kill zone for genocide man them. Every time genocide man them tape go round there so boy left flat pan them face, gone a madden and run a tranquility in a deep freeze. So see it them a people, dark side and genocide man them jump out and have a little peace talk. Man them say them nah go fire no shot in the community, say them a go and keep it cool. But as well I say my people, I never them make that talk there. And the MP them make that talk there. And them have to work with the system. Cause right now, enough of them money we call themselves shot and done. Them nah no money me I tell you no more viewers. Them broke like dog. So the MP them still have talk and member. No man no want the MP them send squaddy them fee, you know. So them have to work with what for work with. So as I say, right now, Wildman Street, turn ghost town. Steve them runway. Conscious them runway. The only man left round there Mach 90. And them man they live like a prisoner. They ever come a road. So my viewers, stay safe out there. Until next time. You see me?
Remember that in a jail, dark side for life, you know? But absolute, yeah, darkness. Look at that any on the road anytime now. Nothing I want of them, they don't blast liar, you never sell me out. Alright, feed up, dig up yourself.
Argument done.